Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. Say, God would come in like one seed, right? And we plant it in our system right here now. So we come in like the ground where the seed are planting. Tell me something. The seed a grow, it a bear fruit. How much fruit it a bear? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God word in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And may I invite you to click the subscribe button if you not do it yet, and the notification bell too, so that you no miss none of what I go on. Right yourself.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Matthew chapter 13 from verse 1 to verse 23. On the same day there, after Jesus left the yard, him go to the lakeside go sit down. One big crowd of people gather up around him. Him did have to go in a one boat go sit down while the heap of people them turn up on the lakeside. Jesus tell them whole heap of story we sound like a wriggle. Him say, one farmer did go for plant some seed. When he did a scatter the seed them, some drop which part people walk, and the bud them con yam them. Some drop where bare ROCKSTONE they. Then they have much dirt fi grow in. No, cause no whole heap of dirt in there. The root couldn't go down deep, so the plant them come up fast. When the sun come up, it scratch up the plant them, and through their root they long enough, them dry up and dead. Some other seed drop amongst MAKABUSH, and when them pop up, the MAKABUSH choke them. But some of the seed them drop on good ground and come bear food. Some bear 100 times more than what the farmer did plant. Some 60 and some 30. Anybody will have ears for ear, better listen good. Then Jesus' special follower them come say to him, say, what make you chat to them? I use Tory, we sound like a wriggle. Jesus say, uno get the chance to know the secret something them about God kingdom, but not them. Cause anybody will understand the secret something them about God kingdom, God are gonna make them understand more. But anybody when not understand, all the little where them did understand, God are gonna take away that from them. And that make me use Tory, we sound like a wriggle. So, even though they can see, them not see a thing. And even though they can hear, them not hear nothing. And they not understand not even one sitting neither. So, what God did make Isaiah say, them people here make it come true. Isaiah did say, Uno will listen good, but uno will never understand. Uno will look hard, but still uno not go see it. Cause them people heart get tough and they can't learn nothing. Them hard years. And them eye lock up too. So then can't see nothing with their eye. And then can't hear nothing with their ears. And they are not understand nothing neither. Or they would have turned to me and me would have saved them. But God bless Funo eye and ears them. Cause them see and hear. Cause me I telling you this, and I true me the talk. Enough prophet and people will do right. They do well want to see where uno see and hear where uno hear. But they may see or hear it. So listen to what the story about the farmer I say. When nobody hear the message about God's kingdom and not understand it, the wicked one come same time, come take away what get plant in them heart. This are the seed where they drop which part people walk. The seed where drop which part bear ROCKSTONE there. Are the somebody where hear the word and glad feet same time. But same like the plant, over root no go down deep in the ground. You know, make God word go deep in him heart. So it no last no time. But when tough time lick him, sake of God word, him give up and turn back same time. Same like how the plant dry up and dead. The one we drop in a MAKABUSH, who hear God word, but he start fret about life, and all he can think about are how to make money and get rich. Them sitting there, black God word, so it no do nothing different in them life. But the seed we drop on good ground now, that's somebody there, hear God word and understand it. So, like the seed we plant on good ground, in bear 160 or 30 times more fruit than what the farmer did plant up. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.